Alright guys, so we have two packages right here, one from Sony Philippines and another one from Shopee. So for those of you who've been following our Facebook page, you probably know by now that Sony launched the WF-1000XM4. Ito yung follow-up dun sa WF-1000XM3. Wow, ang haba, no? Pero this is one of their best performing TWS, so True Wireless Stereo headphones na IEM yung style in the market. So if you guys are looking for good quality IEMs na wireless, you might want to check it out, and I'm gonna link to the launch video in the description box below. So ito yung padala ni Sony, but before that, let's go to this package right here from Shopee Philippines. Okay. Ganun, no? Kala nyo si Sony unahin natin. Hindi. Commercial muna tayo kay Shopee. Okay, so I'm not sure kung anong laman nito. This would be Mr. Unboxing of sorts. Basta na lang may kumontak sa akin ng mga 8:30 PM. Tapos nagulat ako. Shopee daw. So tingnan natin kung anong laman. Okay. So, ito pala yung ating Sustagen Premium. Can you guys see it? This is the Sustagen Premium chocolate flavored. Ayaw mag-focus. Nagpo-focus ba, guys? Isa pa. Ayaw mag-focus ka. Ayan, ang ating Sustagen Premium. Premium tuloy. Premium. There you have it. This is a nutritional milk drink specially formulated for adults. The nutrients that make up the multi-defense system in Sustagen Premium help strengthen the body's resistance against common conditions that come as we age. Wow, guys, anong sinasabi nyo, tumatanda na ako, ganun. Chos. Totoo naman, di ba? Lahat naman tayo tumatanda. And I'll be celebrating my birthday tomorrow. So, sakto, guys. Siguro, paramdam si Shopee. Oy, matanda ka na. And ito, ang pambata para kay baby. Ayan, Enfagrow. Okay. Suki tayo yan ni Enfagrow. Ito yung favorite milk ni baby. Ever since she was in her first year. So, start kasi siya breastfed, di ba? Tapos eventually, around 1 year of age, nag-start kami mag-formula milk. So, Enfagrow, ayan, for above 3 years old. Ayan. So, para sa mga parents dyan, kagaya ko. Enfagrow. 900 grams na Enfagrow. This is, ako personally, masasabi ko, it's one of the best na formula milk kasi gustong-gusto talaga siya ni baby. And kung makita nyo naman dun sa previous videos namin na kasama siya, very healthy siya. So, lakas makataba nitong Enfagrow. Ayan, yun yung diet niya. Ever since she was more than a year old. So, dito na tayo sa ating Sony. Ano kaya to? Coffee. So, may message dito. Enjoy this coffee blend as we brew up something exciting, truly silent, tailored for you, ECU at 12 midnight tonight. So, ayan. So, actually, itong box na to, dumating siya kahapon, before the launch. At hindi ko pa siya binuksan kaagad. Ayan. So, yung hashtag dito ay your sound, nothing else. Mahilig tayo sa kape. We love that. So, tingnan natin kung anong laman. Araw-araw tayo nagkakape. I'm very excited to see kung ano yung laman nito. Itim yung ating ribbon, guys. At medyo mahirap siyang buksan. Do we use our teeth? Ngingipinin na natin. Ayun. Kung mawala din siya. Jaring. Let's open it up. Green. Autumn. Oh no, nako. So, ano pala siya, no? Tawag dito. Templado na. Akala ko, ano siya yung ibu-brew pa lang. So, brewed coffee na pala siya. This is cold brew coffee. Ayan. Pa-focus natin. Ayan, mag-focus. Lapit natin. Ayan. Ano ba ito? Nababasa nyo ba? I hope you guys can read it because can't really tell from the monitor on the camera kung readable siya. So, autumn afternoon, a little warmth for the longest and coldest nights. So, hazelnut flavored siya. Tingnan natin, mataas ang aking standards pagdating sa kape guys. So, ayun, meron naman pala siyang easy brew bag. So, brew coffee that we can make ourselves. Ayan siya. Ayaw mag-focus. Mag-focus ka. Ayan. So, ito yung tipong may sarili siyang holder, tapos may ground coffee, tapos bubusan mo na lang ng tubig para ma-brew mo siya ng sarili mo. At meron din tayong cookies. Yan, pang sakto. I-prepare natin sa ating kape. At meron din ditong postcard galing dun sa supplier ng coffee, si Daily. Ayan. We have this nice looking postcard. Cute. Cute siya, guys. At ito yung itsura niya sa likod. Walang mensahe, no? So, susulatan ko na lang yung sarili ko ng message. Congrats, Sony Philippines, on the launch. I hope to see, sana ma-audition natin yung WF-1000 XM4 pag dumating siya sa Philippines. Very curious to hear what it sounds like. It has one of the best, well, since the WF-1000 XM3, yung predecessor niya, had one of the best active noise cancellation technologies. Tapos ngayon, na-improve siya. May longer battery life, 8 hours, with active noise cancellation on, which is very long kasi compared to other brands. I think yung AirPods only last about 5 to 6 hours. Tapos yung isa pang maganda dun sa WF-1000 XM4 is that it's yung voice pickup technology niya. It uses bone sensor to know para kung nagsasalita ka, ipapatay niya yung noise sa background para mas marinig ng kausap mo yung voice mo. So with that, this has been the launch of the Sony WF-1000 XM4. Salamat Sony Philippines, salamat din Shopee para dito sa mga to. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Paalam.